everyone, my name is Sophia. My father name is Major Slomasi. Most of you may heard this quote that be bold enough to use your voices, be brave enough to listen to your heart, and be strong enough to live the life you always imagined. If a boy implement this in his life, he is regarded as straightforward who didn't keep something in his mind. But if a girl implement this in her life, she is regarded as mean, selfish, rude. One of the major hindrances in the growth and advancement of girl is gender inequality. The whole culture of boy preference and girl aversion has to be changed. Nowadays, girls have right to get good education, but still girls can't express themselves without the fear of judgment and harm because of many false-rooted, old-fashioned anti-gender equality assumptions that are still existing. As long as girls are good until they dance to the tunes that other play for us, accept and tolerate discrimination of a girl is a still part of cultural and religious belief. Girls have to accept what other make decision for them. Girls have to tolerate all the tick-offs of families, friends, society. Why girls are not told that whatever you do, be different? Why we were not told that didn't get what you want and never get influenced what might other think? Why girls are denied opportunities to learn, to live the life they always want to live, choose the career option they want to become in their life. As a girl, we were so many times told that you are a girl, you shouldn't do this, you should be like this. But girls, don't let anyone tell you or dictate you who you should be or who you can be. I would like to tell you something that providing good education is not only a gender equality thing, but also when society accepts girls as decision maker for financial and economic decision of family. People should encourage girls to make the decision of their own. And I'll tell you, every girl want to do something extraordinary. Every girl want to be great. Everyone have something inside of ourselves. But we are just bounded by the fear of judgment that what will people think? But I'll tell you, life is beautiful and comes only once. And once you realize that this is it, this is the one shot you have, then it will not matter even if you fail, it will not matter what will other think. The thing that will really matter is what you think about yourself. So do the things even if it's out of your comfort zone. Be bold and create the world you want to live in. There's only one simple bold word which you need to learn is saying no. There's nothing you need to learn more important than word saying no. Always keep it ready like an arrow pulled back on string. And where you think that this is not a my cup of tea, shoot it without a second thought. Be bold. And I think that being bold is very good and beneficial thing because it's let girl to speak on issues related to her. By being bold, girl can end the male dominated society. It also gives the sense of willingness to act upon, to speak upon, to address something which she is passionate about, even if it's out of her comfort zone. So be bold and always take risk. Never let anyone tell you who you should be. Always let your dream fly. Do not compromise. Do not please someone all the time because even if you put your all effort in something, there will always be someone who will be upset by you, who will never let you to grow up. And I tell you to start speaking up, to push yourself further than you dare. When you start speaking, there will be so many people who will put you down, who will stop you, who will interrupt you. But I'll tell you, world won't end. And you will end up by knowing this thing that there's only one thing more frightening than speaking your truth is not speaking. So be bold and stand firm and let the world know that girls can not only inspire and innovative and creative ideas, but also guide and contribute to future policy and can stand right before the man on the same level. Be bold and stand strong.